Hello everyone, happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's ready to trade with their highest performance and be the best they can. I hope that we get some good price action today with some clarity of movement and understanding. I want to make sure that it's all clear and we are oh, that's new. Okay. Good morning, Scott. Oh, my lines are gone. Okay. Now, how do we just give it a good old restart? Can that help? Nope. Is it the new contract? No, it's not. I'm not sure what happened here, but every single line is gone. Hmm. Okay, I guess you just gonna have to accept that. Don't know what's going on there. Kind of problematic though. Okay, we'll deal with that later. So let's get started. So on the 1 day, yeah, it's different without no lines. But yeah, on the 1 day, we're just we had that push out of the consolidation range and a little bit of a retracement so far. As we pushed a pretty significant amount. And that goes for ES2. Okay. So now on the 4 hour and 1 hour. We had a nice consolidation with the push out from yesterday. And now we're holding 200 EMA. The retracement, buyers came in kind of weak, and then sellers took control. Okay, so let's see how we act lower than VWAP. So now on the 50-minute and 30-minute, from NVIDIA's earnings yesterday, we had a nice little push but then just completely fell down and been kind of flat and now taking a bit of a retracement now. So then on the 1 minute, 5 minute, first logging. So we're right under yesterday's valley area. And we're trying to push ES valley area. And yeah, it's definitely different without no lines. TradingView has not been a great company that I've used. Just so many problems. This is like, I guess, the major one because like every single chart the lines are gone, and those are all my levels, right? Like that's over 100 levels, and I needed to understand where the market reacts. But yeah, this is not good. I'm gonna have to open a support ticket. Let's see if I open up on the web. Is it any better? Okay, my lines are here. They loaded. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah, they're here. Okay, so what does that mean for me then? Do I reset TradingView again? I guess so. I just lost two and should I have been more patient? I'm going. Okay. Yeah, maybe because you knew you had to leave soon, you kind of rushed it, but also it's important to wait the first 15 minutes before we make any decision. It helps. Hmm. So some have lines, some don't. Okay, they loaded. Let's go. Nice. I mean, part of me was kind of like, if I did lose my lines, would I even been that upset? Because at the end of the day, yes, they help, but you know, um, I don't know. I'd probably move to minis instead of micros if that was the case. Mhm.
Let's go. Surrendering.
I was not being patient on that one. Should have been more patient. Just one curious. Once we fill it, do we get deceleration too? I mean, if I kept my risk a little bit more, like, yeah, if I raise it a bit, like I said, to 11 to 12 points, it would have been fine. But it's also just a little bit more patience. I entered that a little bit too fast. So we do get a bit of acceleration. Let's go react to a little while now. Yeah. Need to really fucking wait. It's the biggest problem with me. Really need to wait. I'm trying to work on my patience. Like this trade, it could have been more patient. Yeah, that was a trade that worked. Okay. This trade needed to be more patient. This trade needed to be more patient. How to slow down? I'm entering too soon. This doesn't feel like 10 points. Maybe 10 points. But I'm confused. Did I? I'm so confused. Yeah. How did I take a loss on that? Did I press the wrong button? I have to go to the stream and check. I don't know what just happened there. And the edge played out nicely with continuation. Oh, 10 points. I see what happened because of the trailing threshold. Okay. So yes, that trade would have worked just because my trailing threshold was not my trailing threshold, my risk limit. So it got me filled out for a loss, even though it was a winner. Nice breakdown. Liquidity higher and liquidity lower too. Front rounded. Okay. It's even worse. Or maybe not. See if it plays. My idea is not working. That's a horrible post too. Yeah, I'm just. I gotta stop. I'm just. I don't know. Don't feel good. Like trades are horrible, and just disappointed in myself. But yeah, like I can't be patient. Just rushing. Yeah.
It's been an hour. How are you feeling? Are you self-aware? I'll just.
It's just it's so like it's not even understandable. Like, the way it filled me. Listen, I don't want to do this. Like, it's just annoying that like I'm already like basically blown up. I'm already down so much. It's like kind of annoying. Oh, shoot, I didn't pay attention to that. But we move fast then.
It's almost been an hour. How are you feeling?
Don't know why that keeps happening. Seriously, so close. Uh, it's like literally a tick, man. That's so annoying. Can you stop reloading? please. No, that liquidity keeps being moved. It's fake. It's fucking fake. It's like this is like the third time. Oops. do too fast. Why was it so big? I don't get it. Why was that so much? Jesus Christ. I not risk 20 points. Maybe I did. Last second. It's like always so close to the order, but it doesn't get filled. It's gonna do it. And it was slipped 100%. So annoying. kind of wish I had a better trigger when like moves like this happen. Like, why am I so like just sitting on the sidelines? And then when these stuff happen, I'm like taking so many fucking trades. Like, this is when I should be trading. It's like it's hard to trust just because you're just like it's so volatile. Like buyers are gonna be but they don't, and it's just like that's the most annoying thing, honestly. Don't want to be greedy. That was the right call. I was worried about it front running liquidity. And it did front run. So let's be cautious then. Too soon to enter. I don't like when I'm too soon to enter. Happens and it's like, just why is that kid? Don't do that. You know what I mean? Mm. Need to be more patient. That's what will help me. Mm. So you get this elevation, the liquidity gets filled. Oh, that's why I got filled. Are you serious? Oh, stupid, dude. Not paying attention. Yeah, so I should have, once our liquidity filled, I should have got in That needed the liquidity to accelerate. Got it. Lesson learned. I miss. It. Mm. In my head, the internal dialogue was like, you know, you want to short this. And then I was like, just do it. And I did it. I'm not trying to finish the evaluation in a day. I'm just trying to take good quality trades. These are the moments you just simply sit on your hands and just wait. Did it again. My bad. Hmm. There's the breakout. Let's see how quick this gets shorted. Oh yeah, IB. Mm. Oops. Let's see. Yeah. This is a whole low volume move, right? Like very little volume, some volume conducted here. Basically on the second candle opening. That's not bad. It's fast. Huh. I think it's the web browser. Huh. Okay. Nice to know. Hmm. I'm gonna have to get a tissue. Another breakout. Liquidity in front of it. Oh no, it filled it. Liquidity was filled. But I don't trust these breakouts. ES just tested VWAP, and NQ is a good distance away from VWAP. But yeah, I'm gonna keep staying my hands sitting on my hands and waiting. But it may just be walking away too. That's also possible. You have a very negative delta though. I honestly do feel like this nice move up will have another leg down. That's my assumption. Because like a valley area, it's quite wide. Secondly, we could go again and retrade some of yesterday's valley area. Hello? Wait, what? No way. This whole. Why is there no audio? Huh. Ah, that sucks. So this whole time you heard nothing? Let me see if this fixes it. Yeah, now you guys can hear it. Seriously, that's the whole time there was no. Okay. Okay, so a little bit of like the structure is not bad. Like we had a push, manipulated, made a new low, and then push. So yeah, it's valid. Like, but still, you know, uh, that's okay. Just want to take a trade that I trust. Now, if we hold VWAP on ES, we could actually, start moving higher and tag VWAP. Sorry. No way. That's bullshit, right? Right? Was it always like that? Point of value rate is still higher for ES. But yeah, if ES finds a support on VWAP, I can see how NQ would play VWAP then. Oh, it is under view up, which is not a good thing. With a jackknife on the 5 minute, not very clean then, huh? Hello, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Right here, I'm trading the futures of index, NQ and ES, and got my charts and order flow. Okay, nice little pullback with a doji, but again, we're under VWAP with a jackknife. Not the best combination. So I'm gonna just wait this out. Refill. Oh, thank you. So you're saying it's too so the thing is my thumbnail is actually under 2 MB, but I can try the different pixel size. I'll try that. Is it because it's too stretched? Because I mean I appreciate the help. I'll go ahead and do that though. Because I know I have this feature to do the stream on shorts and on long form. Okay, so we are trying to reclaim VWAP again. Okay. So we're able to close above VWAP. Now let's see if we have a 10-second manipulation or not. Okay, let me try. So I'll check on my phone. Ah, I see. Because it has the black, like if you could see this, the black bezels.
See this?
Oh.
The black bezel?
But I get what you mean. It should be wider. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Wow, I really appreciate that. Wow. And I just noticed this too. Let me see how it looks on the desktop. Yeah, even there too. I'll have to make my audio gets messed up here. Should be okay now. Think you guys can hear the streaming music and hear me. But thank you, I really appreciate that. I do see it now. It's like everywhere. Even there too. I think yeah, so I see because when you go to the actual page and you just look at it like this, it's like there's no bezel, but when you search up and you're like, okay, let me search up the name and then you see the bezels. But yeah, okay, I'll work on that. So let me take a screenshot. You say 1280 and 720. Okay, perfect. Okay, we played view up. Nice. Would it have worked for 10 points? No. Oh yeah, it would have. That's okay. So, are you interested in trading? Let me see if I can say your name right. Gajendra. Gajendra? Gajendra. Gajendra. I think that's right. I think I'm pronouncing the A too much. So we got the pullback. I might call it like, you know, I'm already up a decent amount on a day. You know, if I overstay my welcome and I stay longer, I'm only prone to decision fatigue. Even though I've been patient for like my last trade was here. So let's see how long has it been. It's been 34 minutes of sitting. Great, but you know, that can also lead to poor quality setups because I'm just sitting here. Eventually, I'm gonna see something and then lose money, and then it's not fun. So I'll give it a little bit more time, but I'm gonna call it soon. You know, another thing I realized about my channel is okay, is that I post live streams of trading, but then my real like, you know, short videos that I make, you know, 15-20 minutes are about life and about like of course I'll make videos about trading, but like right now I'm doing like a series and it's just like I feel like I'm too broad. Um but I know I could just maybe open a second channel and I could solve it. On stage, then fix it. Stage all. There you go. Your description in YouTube Studio when fill description. Just check one more thing. Your description in YouTube Studio when film, like, so I don't fully understand. So you mean like the description of my page or the description per video, like my live streams? But I'll check the description out right now too, in YouTube Studio. I mean, thank you though. I really like you don't have to do this, but you're doing it, and I really appreciate that. I'm grateful for that. So, description. Yeah, so I'll wait till you respond, but like, is it the description of my homepage of my YouTube channel, or is it per video? Yeah, so yeah, it's still very choppy, which is understandable. Perfect. In YouTube Studio while filling description. Okay. Uh-huh. So yeah, the description when filling. Okay, I get what you mean. But it's like you're saying the description of the video though. Like if I go to this video right now, that like this live stream, right? And I click on it and I go to the description, I can see there's a live, yeah, okay. You're not using any hashtag. Oh. Wow. I mean, you're really helping me out. That's so true. How did I never think of that? Oh my god, let me write that down. I don't use hashtags. That's like that's the whole game. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Where do I write this down? Let me write it down here. Use hashtags. This is a little sneak peek of my next video. Okay. That's a really good one. I have no hashtags. Just copy and paste and make that change per your choices. Yeah. Yeah, no, 100%. I need to do that. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna like honestly it's just that kinda got a little bit comfortable, you could say. Like, you know, just posting a live stream. But no, this really helps me because like the hashtags will just help me gain more views. So the hashtags and the image profile, sorry, the image, like, you know, the aspect ratio. So great. Okay. But yeah, I'm going to try to like, you know, make my streams a little bit more higher quality, like, you know, with audio and with the thumbnail, the description, and of course, like I'm also gonna try Reddit communities. I'm gonna post my live streaming Reddit communities, and then I'm going to add the hashtags for sure, and for my other videos, I'm just gonna keep on posting them. But you know, I'm experimenting with promoting the video. But you know, even if you promote the video, people just like click on it. You don't really get traction. Um, but yeah, yeah. No, but YouTube is fun. It's fun to try to get better, and it's like training, honestly. You know, it's like very similar. You just keep fine tuning and honestly being really patient about what's to come. Oh. Okay, perfect. I also like no, okay. But another real thing that, is always on my mind is the fact that I have two screens, right? And I need to show both of the screens. But like for example, this was my old setup, right? If I think about it, like this is what I usually did before is I'll show one screen and then have like I use OBS, right? And I have this like background thing which helps. But the thing is, I realized that having this is just like not really helpful because I talk about both screens. So then I show both now, and it looks like this. But it's kind of tight. It's like if you look at it, like if you look at the like for example the date, the timing is like kind of blurry, and it's kind of just like kind of tight. But I really can't do much about it. Yeah, I mean I'm thinking, yeah, I don't know what to do about that. Okay, we're having a breakdown with volume. That's nice. Good amount of volume being conducted in that candle. Testing yesterday's value area high. I want to see how we react here. So, same thing for ES. We're about to test point of control. Yeah, like, yeah. Okay, let's see how it plays out. But I think I'm just gonna sit out and I think I'm done. Like, I could trade more, but it's also like around this time it's just like you could tell like from my last trade it's only got more consolidated. The accumulation per move is a lot more now, um and we're having a breakdown right now after consolidating, which makes sense. But I'm just worried this will be a manipulation to go back to this range or this accumulation period. But right now we're reacting to yesterday's point of control. We broke yesterday's point of control. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, but I'm not gonna take this trade. I don't trust it. Just because I don't wanna get burnt and close the day. I'm really yeah, that's basically it. So if I were to enter this trade, my risk is not too good. Yeah, nah. Oops. We got liquidity lower though at 500. Use one by one, but keep the major one, because both screens combined can make it complicated. Make charts clean as possible. Yeah, that's true. The thing is, like, for me to keep on resetting it, like, sometimes I forget because I know there's the automation I can use to, like, where my mouse is, it will do it, which could work, yeah. But I don't usually keep my mouse here. Yeah. It's the only solution too, like, I can't really. But usually I would show this. I guess then when I talk about order flow, I'll like, go here and be like, okay, there's liquidity. Then I go back. Yeah, I tried doing that, but I just tend to, because I'm like, right now it's choppy, so I'm not very focused. But like when price was doing this, it's very hard to do more things at once. It's like I'm locked in and I have to like focus on taking the trade. Yeah, but we had a decent move today. Like, let me actually mark IB before I forget. But we can see we consolidated and then we had a PO3 structure, retested, this range before breaking down, and then a little bit more of accumulation after high selling. It just broke down like violently. Like just, and I remember like if you see early in the stream, I'm just like, how do I trade this? It's kind of getting annoyed too, just because I was like, I'm not like I'm. It's hard, like especially when it basically it's puking selling, and it's hard to trade because you want buyers to step in to confirm a second leg. But yeah, okay. Because max people watch it mobile. True, true, true. Yeah, they do watch it mobile. And that's true. I can even see that in the stats that I have on my like account. That's like 95% is mobile. Okay, the liquidity is steady now too. I'll finish my yogurt. I think I'm gonna call it in 4 minutes. Yeah, 11:45. I'll walk away. My old strategy was like to take one trade and walk away. The benefit of that is that I have so much more time. Like, but I've been trading with more frequency because of like I took a pretty significant setback in the past few days, which kind of led me to like have urgency, and it's still kind of present, but I'm just trying to be very cautious with myself. That's why I'm being extra patient right now. But I do need to like take a 7-day break from trading, which I'll probably do like next week or the next week, because I like to do this thing like once every 3 months. I'll just take a break from everything, like a 7-day break from everything. That's like 8% of the year that you're giving yourself to just downtime, and it's, I mean, 8% still seems like a lot, but I mean, it only allows yourself to have more clarity, more creativity, and then you come back and you work harder. So yeah, I'm waiting for that. I'm excited because this is a new change I'm making. So yeah. That was a tangent, but yeah. Oh, we have a really negative delta. 21,000. That's the, I think that's the highest I saw. So there's a lot of selling pressure, but sellers are getting absorbed in. Let me show you what I see. So right here, you see this number 21,000? That's really negative. That's like super duper negative. I haven't seen this actually ever. 21,000. So that means a lot of sellers are trying to sell, but buyers are absorbing. So this will likely break, and it makes sense. I was even saying that once we test VWAP, we'll probably break and slowly grind our way back down. Okay, now I have to switch to the other screen. Yeah, this is oops. Yeah, and I mean, what I was saying is that buyers will slowly grind down. I actually have ghost feed. I want to try that because I'm illustrating something and I want to show that. Okay, where is it? Ghost feed. And I'm gonna make this bigger for everyone. There we go. No, I don't want it there. I want it here. Oh, okay. But basically, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this, 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 this. Oh, and then it will go like that. It go like that. Okay, this is so bad. And why even add a trading view if this is what's gonna look like? You're treating it like a 1-day chart, but yeah. It looks like a 1-day chart, but anyways. That's what I wanted to say. So, yeah, we're breaking down nicely. Nice. Okay. Do I like this though? We're having a lot of consolidation before we break down, which is acceptable. But it also, with my tight risk, I don't want to be exposed to that consolidation. And again, I don't want to get burnt when I'm up on the day, so I should just walk away, right? Okay. What is that? Remove blue border from chart. Maybe it's in a window capture, screen capture. You know, better you can use it in your camera background. Looks more professional. So you don't like the blue? Okay, wait. This is frozen. One sec. Okay, liquidity got filled. It's about to get filled. There we go. I got filled. Wait, let me show you what's happening with the liquidity. See, we got liquidity got filled here, which is at value area low. Okay, so you were saying remove the blue border. Oh, okay. Because I was like, I kind of liked it. I just thought it was kind of cool because the thing is, if I remove the blue border, I can't get a good aspect ratio. You know, that's the main problem. So it's like you kind of need a border, or you just need like a good aspect ratio. But my screen doesn't support that. Then it gets stretched, and I'm using more CPU, and my computer is already struggling. And I don't know, like I spent so much on this computer, and it still struggles. But I mean, I guess I didn't configure my computer correctly then. But yeah, no, I get what you're saying, you know. But currently it's giving a gamer vibe. Oh, interesting. You know what? I'm gonna look for a better background then. Like, that's true. It is giving gamer vibes. I agree with you. I'm gonna make changes. I'm gonna find a. Whoa! Did you guys see that too? No, that was just me. That was a lot of pixel distortion. What was it? Change border to more professional look. I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you again. I appreciate the feedback, truly. I got a lot of changes to make now. That's actually crazy. I have so much to do, but I'm excited. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, oh nice. Actually, I kind of like this play. If we find support on yesterday's value area low, and buyers are able to hold this, I can see a little bit of a little bit of a retest of this top range, which is 14 points. That could be a little bit of a scalp. Can I risk cheaply though? Oh, it's already playing out. Okay, it already played out. Yeah, a little bit slow there, but I guess I need to go. Like, I need to walk away. Like, I'm just chilling here now, but now I'm tempted because I'm like, this could actually rip much higher. I don't know if I want to do that. Just call it a day. Call it a day, Zaki. Yeah, call it a day. Okay, I am done. But I really do want to talk more to you because you're really like helping me get a lot of information. Oh, this is the problem with myself. Like, I keep forgetting to switch. This is why this is why I like to show both, because I don't have to like think about it. Um, which is the main thing. But yeah, no, I'm done. I'm gonna close this. Okay, what did you say? Can use a simple one, but it's giving gamer vibe. Trading is a serious profession. 100%. I totally like. I actually totally agree with you. Like, I'm gonna make that change for sure. I really agree with that. And yeah. Yep. No, I'm gonna do that. Let's actually, you know what? Where would I get the border? Where did I get the live stream border template? Let's just get an idea of what it would be. Not for Twitch, for YouTube. I mean, it doesn't really matter, right? Yeah, it doesn't matter because it's just a PNG. So what do we have here? A lot of gamer vibes. Yeah, we would need to look for something more professional. Okay, free live stream overlays. Get started. Themes. Holiday, brave, animated. Yeah, no, I might have to create my own. Because I could create my own. I bought like a studio pack. Could create my own actually. That's actually true. Okay, let me just go to images real quick. Like I like this. I actually like this. You know, I put my name. You know, I put like what I'm doing. This is not bad. What do you think? Like, you know, I could put my name. I don't really need the this stuff like my Facebook, my Twitch, my Insta. I don't need that. Stream overlay create. I actually like this. Like it's kind of cool. I'm gonna keep this here. And then there's this one. No, I don't like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I did it again. You could totally know from the way I stream that I'm a noob, 100%. Um, okay. Let me search it up. Professional one. Live stream border professional template. What would that even look like? Yeah. I don't like these. I mean, this is simple. It's simple and I mean, I actually kind of like this because it's simple. It doesn't need to be overly done or even this, especially if it glow like you know how mine like is like it repeats. So I'm gonna actually like this is actually not that bad too. It's a gaming board though. Okay, whatever. I mean, at the end of the day, I want some like a little bit of a background vibe, you know? Okay. Like I like the color, but I don't like why is it like that? Like really? Yeah. I could create my own too though. What am I thinking though? I think what I would want is honestly something like where was it? Something like this, but like I guess a color like a bluish. I mean, this is a good color, blue and purple. Yeah, something like this. It's simple, it's elegant. I would need to make the border thicker though. That's about it. Okay, cool though. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna leave this here. Okay, I think that's it for me. If you have if you have something else to say real quick, I'm here to listen. But I mean, if you find the stream good, you know, you can always tune in the next day too. So, just want to take a little quick look at the performance. So we're at 7,500. That's okay. Yeah. So, okay, that's if. Okay, so I had one losing trade, basically. Okay. I mean, I'm happy with the win rate, and I think these trades, like this was nothing but I was just like probably slipped, and some of the trades got executed potentially. Okay, cool stuff though. Happy with it. Commissions. How much was my commissions? Cause I took one trade with a little bit more size. $600. Yikes. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so I'm from India. Don't know how your stream come in my YouTube suggestion. The power of the algorithm. I'm grateful that it came in your suggestion because I got to have this conversation with you. But I mean, if you're not interested in trading, I understand. But like, I post other cool videos, um, and honestly, I love your feedback. So you could always just like send a comment, on one of the videos and be like, you could do this differently, and I would full-heartedly take that and improve from it because like your feedback is super duper helpful. But yeah, I post live streams, but like in a 2 to 3 months I'll start posting live streams of my business as well, like my outreach and my business development. So I'm gonna start doing that, and I'm also gonna start posting some videos of trading tips and trading strategies, and that's about it. But right now I'm focusing more on mindset and life. I have a lot of good ideas that I'm gonna get out. But yeah, I mean, if you're interested, you can always check it out. But you say see you tomorrow. I have to do my live stream from 9 a.m. As per Indian time. Ooh, you have a live stream too? Send me the thing. I would love to check it out. I went to your channel page. You must be another account then, because I went to the one like the one you're talking with. I don't see anything. So, but I would love to check it out, honestly. But like tomorrow, if you're there, we could talk. I'm also from India. I'm in Canada right now, but I'm from Chandigarh. That'll be a good conversation to talk about too. I should do some quick schoolwork too. Might as well get started. Okay, good night, man. Take care. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really hope I rise as well. But thank you, and really appreciate your advice. Take care, everyone.